Hey there tech enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the MSI Z890 Tomahawk Wi-Fi motherboard, a feature-packed option for your next PC build. Let's explore what makes this motherboard stand out. Let's start with the design. The Tomahawk sports a sleek black aesthetic with subtle green accents, fitting seamlessly into most builds. Its ATX form factor provides ample space for components without overcrowding your case. The extended heat sinks and efficient layout ensure optimal cooling, even during intense gaming sessions. When it comes to performance, this motherboard doesn't disappoint. It supports Intel's latest Core Ultra processors thanks to the LGA 1851 socket and Intel Z890 chipset. With 4 DDR5 memory slots, you can install up to 256GB of RAM, achieving speeds over 9200 MTS when overclocked. This means faster load times and smoother multitasking for your applications and games. Storage is another strong suit. The board features 4 M2 slots, 1 Gen 5 and 3 Gen 4, allowing for rapid data access and quick boot times. Additionally, there are 4 SATA 6GB per second ports for your traditional drivers, offering flexibility in your storage setup. Connectivity options are top-notch. Equipped with Intel Killer 5G LAN and Wi-Fi 7, it ensures stable and high-speed internet connections whether you're gaming online or streaming content. Bluetooth 5.4 support allows for seamless pairing with wireless peripherals. The inclusion of multiple USB ports, including Thunderbolt 4 Type-C, provides versatility for various devices and faster data transfers. Audio quality hasn't been overlooked. The Realtek 1220p audio codec delivers clear and immersive sound, enhancing your gaming and media consumption experiences. In terms of pricing, the Tomahawk is competitively priced around $240, offering excellent value for the features it packs. Considering its support for the latest hardware and robust build quality, it's a solid investment for both gamers and professionals. If you're interested in this motherboard, check out the affiliate links in the video description for the latest deals and availability. So what are the pros and cons of choosing this motherboard? Cons: no RGB lighting for those who prefer customizable aesthetics. VRM can get very hot with no active cooling. Pros: supports the latest Intel Core Ultra processors. High-speed networking with 5G LAN and Wi-Fi 7. Multiple M2 slots, including Gen 5 support for versatile storage options. User-friendly features like Easy PCIe release and Easy M2 Clip 2 for easier installation. Competitively priced for the feature set offered. In summary, the Tomahawk is a robust and feature-rich motherboard that caters to both gamers and professionals seeking performance and reliability. Don't forget to check the affiliate links in the description for more details. If you found this review helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tech insights.